Hello. After a long time, here we meet, and the reason why we're meeting here is something very special, is something absolutely worth. So, it's all about. Aja yaar. It's all about the really special Panjiri laddus. Oh, guys. It's gonna be. So I told her, can I eat it and can I talk? She's like, no, Yami is gonna be very messy. So making it. So I've been told very categorically by Surili कि duration क्या रखनी है?
Just 2-3 minutes. I know कि तेरे fans बहुत desperately wait कर रहे हैं because they love you so much. But I think 2-3 minutes are like
yeah 2-3 minutes Surili. No, to be very honest, बहुत मुश्किल है describe करना मेरी feeling about these laddus about 2-3 minutes because मेरी postpartum journey में they helped me so much. I can't begin to tell you. And long story cutting it short, जब आप एक बच्चे को जन्म देते हैं, आप ना ही सिर्फ एक बच्चे को जन्म दे रहे हैं, आप जन्म दे रहे हैं खुद को भी. You know, there's a new you. और वो जो moment की of realization है that I'm a new person. It's all about this little life that I've given literally birth to. It's filled with emotions. There's so much happening in your life, in your mind, in your body at that time. आपको of course चाहे आपकी कोई भी आपका चाइल्ड बर्थ किसी भी तरीके से हुआ हो, नॉर्मल हुआ हो, सी सेक्शन हुआ हो, दोनों के अपने चैलेंजेस हैं. दोनों में ही आपको रेस्ट करने को बोलते हैं, आपकी नींद पूरी नहीं होती है, आपको रिकवर भी करना है, आपको हील करना है, आपको अपनी बेबी का भी ध्यान देना है. सो वाइल ऑफ कोर्स टुडे देयर लॉट ऑफ सप्लीमेंट्स, सब कुछ है मार्केट में, बट सुरीली यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट दैट यू नो व्हाट एक्चुअली स्ट्रक यू टू कि यार मैं यामी के लिए बनाती हूँ.
Yeah, I've you know that I've always been passionate about cooking. I mean, बचपन से ही मुझे this is something it is very therapeutic for me. और मुझे कुछ ना कुछ स्पेशल बनाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है for Yami, for my family, mummy, Jas and everybody. So this time, you know, when she was about to deliver, this was the time जब मुझे था that I am going to make something for her which is going to heal her. And she should be happy, it should be tasty, she should enjoy it, and she should feel कि यार it's all worth it. So then I thought that I'll make these Panjiri laddus. पर मैंने इन laddus को बनाने से पहले research बहुत ज़्यादा किया about the ingredients and what should I put in, you know, कि आपकी recovery बहुत अच्छे से हो, in and out and everything. So obviously, I mean, we have a farm in Himachal. एंड वहाँ से फिर हमारा घी, ऑर्गेनिक हल्दी, I've spoken about it in my previous video. So yeah, then I was like कि ये तो यामी को बनाना ही है, और जब बनाया then she was like ये तो तुझे लोगों तक लेके जाना ही है, this is must.
मतलब this used to be my happy meal. दिन में 2 बार
अभी भी कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है, she wants to eat it.
मुझे देते थे, मैंने कहा 2 से मम्मा 3 हो सकता है. मम्मा ज्यादा हो जाएगा अभी यार, ठंड रखो.
I mean, so enter the room and she used to be eating this. मैंने कहा फिर से daily. It's been 5 months. What every day अभी भी one laddu she has to eat this one laddu.
And I know that it healed me so much, it helped me so much in my journey, because literally you're literally beginning everything from scratch, you know, from within. And आप चाहते हैं ये जर्नी आपके लिए यादगार है, या ये आप चाहते हैं जर्नी आपके लिए जितना आप उसको अच्छा बना सकते हैं. And nothing like the love of your loved ones. And when this also got added, I was like, Surili, yaar ye you must share this with everyone. So this is where the idea came from, Surili's Panjiri's laddu, and with lot of care, with lot of love, and I hope it reaches your home, and I hope it gives you happiness the way it made me so happy. Thank you. And can I eat now, please?
Yes, please, Khalya.